In this Blakify review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the software Blakify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link down there so you can always get your money's worth for Blakify. Blakify is a software that can create natural sounding voices in seconds with over 700 voices in different languages. This is what you should see once you've actually created your account and logged in. This is the Blakify dashboard page. And as you can see, there is not too much going on, but it's not really that empty either. I'm going to quickly go through every feature, and then throughout the review I'm going to dive deep into each one. So straight off the bat, up here in the top left hand corner is the logo. If you click on that, it should take you to the main page. As you can see here, right below that, we are currently on the dashboard page, which features all of this information. It features your balance, how many characters that you have, your notifications, your text-to-speech usage, and a quick guide, update profile, support ticket, and pay now down here. We are currently on a free plan, but it actually offers an upgraded plan where you can actually have more characters. All you have to do is click upgrade right down here in the bottom right. All the way to the left we have the user panel. This is where you can actually start creating your text to speech, or you can actually create a document to speech right below that. Below that you have your projects, voices, my music, support ticket, my finance, and any tools. All the way in the top right you actually have your account settings right up here. So we're going to go ahead and go to the left hand side here in the user panel and click the text to speech area. Once you go ahead and click that, you can actually see there is a lot going on here, and as a beginner you might not know what to do. We're going to quickly go through every feature and then explain what each one does. So as you can see here, it says we've got the available characters, which is 5,000, that's the standard characters, and right here actually gives a little fun fact. You have used 20 characters for preview, 80 characters for production, and generated 0 voice files. So we're going to go ahead. Right here you can see we can actually enter a title for this file, or you can actually select a project right over here. So once you've gone ahead and actually chosen a title, I went ahead and just typed in new speech, and you've actually selected a project right here. You can go ahead and change all of these settings right here for your text-to-speech voice. You can go ahead and change the neural or standard. You can go ahead and change the volume right here from default to X soft or soft, medium, loud, or X loud. You can go ahead and change the speed right here. You can also change the pitch, and you can add any pauses. To the right of that you can change the voice style, which we're going to go ahead and select news since that's the only one we can choose. And then you can also add any auto splitting. Once you've selected everything you want, you can go ahead and save the presets, and you type in what preset name you want and you click save. So I went ahead and put on my headphones now so I can actually hear what the voice sounds like. So what you want to do next is go ahead and type anything you want into this box. So there you go, I went ahead and typed in welcome to the review. And now if you want to actually listen to what you have typed, you can go ahead and click this right here to the right of it.
Welcome to the review.
And it should say what I typed in. You can actually add on any more that you want. Welcome to the review, how are you today? I went ahead and typed in that. And once I go ahead and click that.
Welcome to the review. How are you today?
There you go. It actually asks how are you today in a question tone. So right above that you can actually see how many characters you have used, the volume, the speed, the pitch, the style, and your engine. Once you're actually happy with what is said, you can go ahead and have the download button right here, or you can also add any more text to speeches. As you can see, I just added a few, but I don't actually need that many. Once you've clicked the download button, it should quickly just download right down here in the bottom left. As you can see, it has downloaded. So that is pretty much it for the text to speech page. You can type in whatever you want, you can make it say whatever you want, and then you can easily just download it once you are finished. All the way back to the left you have the documents to speech page, where you can actually pretty much do the same but with a document. And then to the project section, you can see that there is a save project right here. You can go ahead and edit this with this button right here and change the name. I went ahead and just changed the name to reviews, and you can also delete this if you wish. You can add a new project up here by clicking that, and you can go ahead and actually change the name for that. All the way back to the left hand side you can go into the voices section, and right here you can actually change or add or download any voices that you wish. However, this all comes with the premium and upgraded version, so if you wanted a different voice, you can go ahead and just download that. There's tons and tons of voices to pick from, tons of different languages, and it's all laid out pretty well. Back again to the left hand side, you can go into the My Music section, and this is where you can actually just apply any background voice or background music. If you have any files, you can just click choose file right here, upload that, and you can also change the volume. Once you've done it all, you can go ahead and apply background, and right down here it should say your voice list. Finally, you can actually go ahead and change any finances, or you can actually change any tools like the My Profile, change password, merge audio, or any notifications for Blakify. And there you go, that is it for the Blakify review. Overall, it's a pretty simplistic software and there's not too much going on. All it is a text-to-speech software, so it pretty much covers the basics of what you need with even the free trial. If you want to go ahead and click the upgraded trial, there is loads and loads and loads of different voices and languages to choose from. A few features I liked is how easy it is just to type it in, sort out the settings, and hear what you want. You can go ahead and just click download straight away, and it downloads it even on the free version. Would I recommend this to anyone? Yes, I would. However, I wouldn't recommend it if they aren't looking for one that you have to pay for, since it does only have one voice on the free version. That's all from me. I'll see you next time.